Hello dear customers, in this video I'd like to share with you how to make the nylon close and finish zipper such as this one with the aluminum top store and the bottom store. It's very simple finish close and nylon zipper. For make this zipper just need 5 sets machine. So now let's see from here. First is gapping to get the zipper with different lengths by adjusting the machine from here. Okay, so you can get more longer length finish zipper or more short. Okay, so gapping. And second is a button store fixing machine. Okay, we also have another machine have two function. I mean, the machine can do the gapping and the button store together. So it means if you buy that machine, no need to buy these two sets machine. And the third step is the slider mounting. Mount the slider inside the zipper. And the fourth step is the top stop fixing by aluminum wire. This is aluminum wire, okay? And for aluminum wire, the top stop and the bottom stop, both of them need. But the wire size is different, okay? So this is the top stop, okay? And this is cutting. So this is the fiber process to make this zipper, okay? Now let's see what material we need. First, you need to buy the long chain, such as this one, okay, long chain. For number 3, 400 meters per low. For number 5, normally 200 meters per low. Or we can make the low according to your requirement, okay? And the bottom stop wire, aluminum bottom stop wire, aluminum top stop wire, and the slider. So you need 1, 2, 3, 4 material to make this finished zipper. If you want to make the bottom stop by ultrasonical wire, or make the top stop by the ultrasonical transparent top stop wire, such as this one, okay, like this one. It's the ultrasonical top stop. About the machine's running situation, we have a many video to show to you. So let me show you.
Here automatic nylon zipper double trimming machine. The output is 3,600 pieces. Gapping here. Let's see the gapping result. You can see the gapping is very clean.
This is a button stop.
Automatic nylon zipper button stop machine. And the output is 4,800 pieces per hour. The fixing result, let's see, is very well.
Slider mounting.
QAQ automatic nylon zipper side fitting slider mounting machine. The output is about 2,500 pieces per hour. And the slider will be fitting here. So now we can check the slider mounting result. You can see slider mounting is very well.
After mount the slider, okay. Then you need to make the top stop.
QQ automatic nylon zipper topper stop machine by aluminum topper stop wire. The output is about 2,700 pieces per hour. And then 2 aluminum wire will fit in here. So let's check the result. You can see the topper stop fitting is very well. Thank you.
And this is the zigzag cutting.
QQ automatic nylon zipper close and zigzag cutting machine. The output is 4,000 pieces per hour. Going through cutting and come down here to zigzag cutting. Very well.
Buy the machines to make such this zipper. You're welcome to contact us.